Hi everyone. In this short, I want to show you how to unwind a skein of thread. So not the pull skeins, but these sort that are twisted up on each other. So for instance, often perle cotton or something that you might get from a dyer when they've hand dyed things. So you'll have a long skein, and you'll see that they're usually tied. So you need to open out so that it's a large loop. You need to have something to wind onto. This could be a flat thread winder, it could be a piece of cardboard. If I don't have anything handy, I'll often use the label from the actual skein of thread. At the moment I'm going to use one of our vintage spools just because I like the look of them. So take that area where the threads are tied and put that around your thumb. Okay, and you take the actual loop then and bring the skein behind the back of your hand, down again, up again, and then anchor it on whatever finger it will anchor onto. So obviously different lengths. Sometimes you might need to come all the way down to your pinky. Sometimes you'll go at a different finger. Basically, this is just a way to keep it taut without having to have someone else sit there and hold the thread for you. Then we'll undo where it's actually tied, and then find an end. Now, one of the ends will go sort of twist underneath, and one is more likely to be a little bit out. It's very hard, unless someone has hand wound the skein, so a dyer, to actually find the right one when they're machined. So don't worry too much, it doesn't matter. So basically, you just take off in order a length. So you can wind this onto whatever you're winding it round, and get it started. So if you're using a piece of cardboard, you'll just wind around with the piece of cardboard. And I have to say, this is not something that I came up with. It's actually something that was in an old book of my late mother-in-law's, and it's just so brilliant. I think it was something from the war, and I honestly can't remember which one it was. But as you can see, that you can just keep winding and taking the threads off. Come around a little bit wrong on that, but you can just keep taking the thread, winding it round, and you can do this single-handedly, which is a great benefit. Now, see where I've twisted it here? Just, if that happens to you, just flip it over, and then you won't have to go under your thumb each time. And then you can just keep unwinding and wind up off your spool. I hope that helps make it a little bit easier, especially because we do actually supply some of these longer skeins in some of our kits. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.